BSc Part 3 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I am going to deliver today the lecture on statement, conceptual property of sigma, sigma star and pi star molecular orbital. Dear students, it is the last topic of this unit, BSc Part 3, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, selected from Unit 2nd, titled as Molecular Orbital Theory. Today is the last topic I am going to deliver, statement, conceptual property of molecular orbital of sigma, sigma star, pi star. The important postulates regarding to the statement conceptual of sigma, sigma star, pi and pi star, I would like to explain in such a way by means of important features. First one, important postulate, that is like atomic orbital to define as vary shape in size and symbols of SPDF. In the same sense, molecular orbital to define as Greek words such as sigma, pi, delta, etc. The formation, the definition, the explanation of the conceptual of these molecular orbitals, bond formations, symbol sigma, sigma star, pi and pi star based on second one postulate regarding to that is of center of symmetry or inversion of symmetry. The midpoint of atomic orbitals or nuclei to denote as center of symmetry or inversion of center. Center of symmetry or inversion of point I have drawn on the blackboard here. Next one, postulate for the formation to define as molecular orbital by means of sigma, sigma star and pi star, as we have defined atomic orbital in the series of SPDF orbitals. The preparation, bond formation, the symbol absolutely obviously based on center of symmetry or that is of center of inversion. The midpoint, two types of the cases, two types of the figure. On the behalf of graphics I have drawn on the blackboard here. In that is of figure 1. There are two types of the possibility for bond formation. If both the atom or nuclei are overlapping in according to the axial form, such situation, the bond formation will be called as that is of Girard. Girard means that is of G, sigma G for Girard to define as that is of bonding condition. Next one, suppose we have selected here two types of the atom, two types of the nuclei, and though overlap in opposite directions, the condition to define as that is of ungirard. Ungirard means to define and to symbol as that is of sigma u, to define as that is of anti-bonding molecular orbital condition. I mean to say in Greek language, bonding condition to define as that is of Girard, and it will be symbolized by that is of sigma g, G for Girard. Girard means that is of bonding condition, and suppose both the atomic orbitals overlap in opposite direction of center of symmetry. The condition is known as anti-bonding condition. In Greek language is known as that is of ungirard and is symbolized that is a sigma ungirard or that is of sigma that is of anti-bonding molecular orbital condition here. Sigma Girard or that is of sigma that is of bonding condition here. Now let us try one by one. Girard condition and Girard condition, bonding condition, anti-bonding condition depending upon axial, in directional form, in opposite form. Special case SS overlapping. There are two cases for SS overlapping for the formation of sigma 1s Girard and anti-Girard. S and S to condition positive sign in axial form to produce here, that is of sigma 1s bonding with sigma 1s, that is of Girard condition, sigma 1s G condition. In reciprocal manner, in inversion manner, in negative sign, you know, it is evident from the graph, both the nuclei going away, the condition to HU is anti-bonding sigma 1s ungirard. Next one, second one, the condition SS overlapping here, two types here, S and P plus and minus in axial direction property, SP sigma 1s P Girard condition, bonding condition sigma SP Girard, or that is of sigma SP, that is of bonding condition. In reciprocal manner, suppose S and P orbitals are overlapping in opposite direction, in opposite sign, there is no possibility for bond formation. Such situation is known as, that is of anti-bonding sigma 1sp ungirard conditions here. Next one, that is of third one case, we are going to define here BP overlapping have two important further condition, SS that is of coaxial and SS that is of collateral. SS PP overlapping, next one, that is of after discussion SP overlapping. We discuss about PP overlapping to HUS, two condition here, that is of PP condition by axial form to produce positive sign according to the center of symmetry, sigma PP Girard or bonding form is formed. In reciprocal manner, in that is of inversion point, sigma PP ungirard. Next one, that is of third second, that is of they are overlapping by here, that is of collaterally. You know, here pi bond is formed, it is known as that is of pi G, or that is of pi bonding here. In the case of reciprocal manner, in the case of inversion of center, there is no possibility for bond formation, pi bond formation. Pi star is known as pi, that is of ungirard condition. It is the last topic of this unit, dear students. Hence, on the behalf of various content topic of this unit second, molecular orbital theory, the unit second is now completed, and we will start the new unit titled as 3, title as that is of spectroscopy of BSc Part 3 physical chemistry, which is very special unit. We will start tomorrow unit 3 titled as spectroscopy. Thank you very much.